Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make these tacos dorados. I added potato, chorizo, refried beans, and cheese. If you want to learn how to make these, stay tuned and I will show you how. For the ingredients, I will be using 4 russet potatoes, beef chorizo, but you can use pork. I'm going to be adding refried beans. You don't have to add it, but I did. And any cheese of your choice. I'm using medium cheddar. I'll be using mission tortillas that I had, and I also made some homemade corn tortillas. So you can either use both or just one of each. To start with, what I did was I washed and peeled my potatoes, and now I'm just going to cut it up into quarters. After you do cut it up, you still want to rinse it out with water to get rid of the extra dirt that's on these. In a pot, I added some water, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to bring this up to a boil. Once at a boil, I'm going to be adding in my potatoes, and I'm going to leave them cooking here until they are fork tender. Usually it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And while those are cooking in a pan, I'm going to add all my chorizo. And cooking this on low, I'm going to just break it up and cook it for about 5 minutes. And once it's done, I'm just going to set it aside. And now that my potatoes are fork tender, I'm going to drain out the water and adding it to my chorizo. I also am going to add some lemon pepper. You can add any seasons of your choice, or you can leave them out. And I'm going to be mashing these until it all combines together. And once that's done, I'm just going to stir it around, making sure the chorizo is mixed in with all the potatoes. After that's done, I shredded my cheese, and I'm going to add it all in here. It's your choice if you want to add it into the potato or you just want to add it to the taco after. And this is all done. Set this aside, and on my tortillas, I microwave for about a minute just to get them soft. And here I'm going to add some vegetable oil, and I'm going to let this get hot before I start adding my tacos in there. I'm going to start using the mission first, and then I will move to my homemade tortillas. So what I do is I add some beans first. And like I said, you can leave the beans out if you wish, but I find that it actually gave it very good flavor. And then adding my potato and chorizo. This is pretty simple to make, and you're just gonna fold it in half and just place it on your paper towel, and continue to do that with the rest of your tortillas. This recipe makes quite a few. I would say, I believe I got maybe about 20 tacos out of these. And you can add as little or as much of the filling as you like. I added plenty because we like thicker tacos, not flat ones. Once you got those all ready, just add it to your oil, and pretty much you're just going to make these dorados. So on one side, crisp it, turn it around, crisp it on the other side. And between each batch, I do clean out the oil because it tends to leave like the potato, burnt potato in there. So I do like to clean it out. These are done. And I'm going to continue on with the rest of my tacos. And after that's done, here you go. And these are ready to get lettuce, or you can use cabbage. I've used cabbage before and it tastes just fine. And your favorite salsa. I'll be using a salsa de molcajete here. And these are ready to enjoy. I hope you liked my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell to make sure that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Enjoy your tacos. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye.